discussed questions 1 to 6 in our previous video. So in this video, we'll continue from question 7 onwards. Number 7. In a class of 100 students, there are some students who like English, who are doubles, those who like maths. So let's draw a Venn diagram. So we have English and math. And English is twice of math. So if it is x, then this is 2x. Now it says that the number of students who like both is 15. Those who like only math is 18. So there's only math is 18 here. That means 15 plus 18, 33 is basically those who like math. Those who like English is 66. So 66 is this whole circle, entire one. Plus we have 18. So 66 plus 18. So that's total number of students who like at least one of the subjects is 84. There are 84 students there. Total number of students is 100. So the other students here would be basically those who do not like any of the subjects. 100 minus 84. So that is 16 students who do not like any of the subjects. That is option B. So that's what the question is asking. Number 8. With the clock, knows the time to be 3:30, and when he looks, again the hour hand has moved by 240 degrees. The hour hand has moved by 240 degrees. 3:30 would be roughly so the minute hand would be at the 6 o'clock mark, minute hand, because it's 3:30, and the hour hand would be at the 3 o'clock mark. Now the hour hand moves by 240 degrees. So basically this is 180 degrees and then 60 degrees more. So 180 degrees would make it at 9, 30 degrees would make it at 10, and 30 more degrees would make it at 11. So the hour hand would be at 11 mark if it moves 240 degrees. So it would be 11. Okay. Keeping the minute hand unchanged, he just observes that the hour hand has moved this much. So nothing is mentioned about the minute hand. So we have to assume that the minute hand's position when he came back and checked had remained unchanged. So only the hour hand's position had changed by 240 degrees. Exactly the hour hand would not be at 3 o'clock mark, because when the minute hand has moved this much, the hour hand would just be slightly below this. Exact same thing would happen when it is 11:30. The hour hand would not be exactly at the 11 mark, but slightly more than that. But since the minute hand's position is the same in both cases, the movement here and the movement here would be the same. So the exact positions would be, if this is 3 and the hour hand was somewhere here at 3:30, after it moved 240 degrees, this is 9, this is 10, that's 11, and that's your 12 o'clock mark. The hour hand, instead of being here, it is just slightly more like this. And the minute hand is at the same position. Okay, so but the time is still 11:30. So 8 will be option D. Number 9. Needs to pay for a taxi and she has 480 using 5 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupee notes. The number of notes nodes are equal. So if you have x nodes of each, then total money is 5x, 10x, and 20x. So x nodes of each means the total of 3x nodes. So how much is this? 35x is basically 480. Unfortunately, this is not divisible. 5 rupee, 1 rupee, 10 rupee makes 15, and 120 makes 35 rupees. Since all the notes are always equal, it will be like 10 of each. That means we make it 350 rupees. Okay, 12 of each would be making it 420 rupees, and in this manner. But unfortunately, 480 is not a multiple of 35. The data here is not consistent in that sense. However, if I had made it like 350 rupees instead, that means what it would have happened is that x is 10. That would mean 50 notes there are 10 rupee notes also there are 10, and 20 rupee notes there are also 10. So the approximate number of notes that she pays. So you cannot have an approximate number of notes here, obviously, because the number of notes are always integers. So you cannot have a decimal number of notes in this case. The total number of notes that she pays is 10 plus 10 plus 10. So that will be 30. 30 notes, which clearly will not be any of the options here. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Number 10. You have to simplify. So if I take this as A 134 as B, here you have A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. The whole thing is divided by, so there should be a bracket here. The whole thing is divided by 269 times 134 means AB. So this is basically A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Then minus A squared minus B squared and minus of minus 2AB, so plus 2AB by AB. So A squared B squared cancels out. You have got 4AB by AB, so that is 4 as the answer. So obviously the question meant to do something else. It is just simplify the value of this whole thing. The question should not be to get A and B values. Okay, that's possibly a misprint. They are just asked you to simplify this value and calculate the value. So the answer would be equal to 4. So the answer choices clearly are not correctly framed. Number 11. So this 56,345 squared. So 56,345 squared minus 36,345 squared. And again, this should have been in brackets like this, divided by 20,000. So this is A squared minus B squared is A minus B, so that's 20,000. If we do 56,345 minus 36,345, we get 20,000 times the sum. So that will be 6. 92,690. So the answer is 92,690. That is option B. Number 12. have to multiply this and add. So you can take 976 common and do 237 plus 763. That comes to 976 times. That is 976,000. That is option A. Number 3. Then you just have to add the values. That is 19.399 and 10.33 and 7.82 and then 3.111. So we just need to quickly add them. 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 1, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 16, carry 1, 20, 30 plus 10, 40. So 40.66, so option A. Now it's a pure addition subtraction question. And here, look at the answer choices, they are pretty far off. 809, 862, 832, 845. So you can quickly take an approximation and calculate, ignoring the decimals. So it's 945 minus 1042, 975, that's 31. So 875 and 945, if I add, is 1820 minus 1042 would give us 778. With that we have to add 31. So that will give us 809 approximately. Closest option obviously will mark. Because of the decimals, doesn't make much of a difference. So it will still remain 809 approximately. Number 15. So we have 0.24 divided by 0.00012. So we have to shift the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So we will get 0.24 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 12. So this is 0.02 times 10 to the power 5. So we have shifted 1, 2 places. So here it would be 2 times 10 cubes. So 2000. Option C. Now see, we have add these values. So these are 5.55 plus 5. So that makes it 10.55 plus 5.5 plus 5.55 another 5 and then 5.05 plus 5 again. So that makes it 10.05 again. So that will give us, this 5 comes down, 5, 5, 5, 15, carry 1, 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1, and 3, 31.655. So option D. Number 17, you just multiply the values. So you have 1 times 0.3 times 0.01 times 0.003. So you just convert this to 1 times 3 by 10 times 1 by 100 times 3 by 1000. So that would give us 9 divided by this. So if I now start shifting, I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.000009. 0.0000. 5 zeros at the end. So option D. Number E. We have 21 times 24 minus 64. That's 4 cube plus 7 square. So right now what is this value? So 21 times 24 is 21 4s are 84. 21 2s are 42 plus 8 504 minus 64 plus 49. So that would be 504 minus 64 would be 440 plus 49. That is 489. So 489 minus what? So basically that's the question. So 489 minus what would be 19 square, which is 361. So the question mark value is 489 minus 361. So that is 128. So option B. Number 19. You have to convert this to a fraction. So 1.50 dot dot dot. If this is x, multiplying 100, get 150.505050. We multiply 100 so that the decimal form remains the same. Now we subtract 100x minus x, 99x is 150 minus 1, 149. Decimal parts cancel out. So x is 149 by 99. Option A. Number 20. This is just 0.478 repeating. So this 3 digits repeat is just starting with a 0. So 3 digits repeating is simply 478 by 999. If there were 2 digits repeating with a 0 in the beginning, 0 point digits repeating, it would be 2 digits by 99. A single digit repeating would be that digit by 9 and so on. So 478 by 999, option C. 21, again it's 0 point repeating 36. So 36 repeating. So clearly that's 36 by 99. 9 will cancel, so 4 over 11. So option B. Here this is 2/3 to the power. So 27 to the power 2/3 is p cube to the power 2/3. The powers get multiplied. You left with 3 squared, so that is 9. That's option A. 23. 1024 to the power minus 4/5. 1024 is 2 to the power 10. So the powers get multiplied. So you have 2 to the power minus 8. So this is 1 by 2 to the power 8. And 2 to the power 8 is 256. So 1 over 256. That's option B. Number 24. We have 0.00032 to the power 3/5. So that's basically 32 to the divided by 10 to the power 5. 4 to the power 3/5. Now 32 is 2 to the power 5. So it is 2 by 10 whole to the power 5 multiplied with 3 by 5. So it is 2 by 10 whole cube. So it is 8 by 1000. Or you can just cancel here as 1/5 and write it as 1 divided by 125. So that is option A. 25. We have 74.6 minus 38.9 minus 5.7. The whole thing is divided by 26.4 minus 18.9. That's on top. 74.6 minus, if I take common, they will get added. So 38.9 plus 5.7. So 44.6 divided by, if I subtract these two, 7.5. So 7.5, which is 4 times 4. So option B. So 1 divided by 0.000469. So I know already 4.659. So I need to shift the decimal just 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So on top I will get 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4.659. So now 1 by 4.659 is 0.2146. So it is 4 zeros times 0.2146. So it will end up with 2146. Option A.